Chapter 40. The next day, Lindsay glares when I pass her in the hallway. Don't even look at me, David, and if you ever come near me again with that camera, I'll break it. I slink back to my room, close the door, and wait until I hear her leave for school before going downstairs for breakfast. At the table, Dad gives me the silent treatment. I told you to get rid of the part with your sister, Bubby says, making a clucking noise to tell me how disappointed she is in me. I'm relieved to leave the house, until I realize that it means I'll have to deal with another day at Harmon. I think of the poster I would put in the lunchroom bulletin board if I had the chance. Harmful to students, avoid Miss Lovely's class, repulsive, moldy lunchroom, maybe high school will be better, another day in paradise, not, never get on Tommy Murphy's bad side. And the only side he has is bad. In Miss Lovely's class, I asked Sophie if she knows anything about someone calling the Bucks County Courier-Times. She nods so hard I think her head will fall off. She whispers, I asked my mom to call and tell them how popular your videos are. Why? Someone called and interviewed me. Sophie squeals. No way. I check and see that Miss Lovely is outside the classroom door. Yeah, it was cool. I don't tell Sophie that Lindsay found out about the Daily Acme forecast. No need to ruin the moment. David, guess what else Mom did? Miss Lovely is still outside the door. What? Finally took down all those stupid Spanish labels. Really? Sophie nods. She's actually loosening up a little. That's great, I say. But I get that empty feeling in the pit of my stomach, the one that comes when I think about Mom. Now that Sophie mentions it, I think Mom might have loosened up too much. In fact, I think before she left us, she was starting to come apart at the seams. A wad of paper bonks off my ear and drops to the floor. Oops, I hear Tommy Murphy say. Sorry, Lameberg. I stare ahead and sink low in my seat, grateful when Miss Lovely walks to the front of the room and tells us to do all the odd problems on page 37. It's good to have something to take my mind off things.